Hello everyone, this is my reflection video and today we're diving into the fascinating world of GPUs and their incredible journey from powering video games to becoming the backbone of modern AI and many other advanced technologies. And now we'll explore how GPUs have evolved their impact on fields like AI, autonomous vehicles, and the metaverse, and where we're heading with the future development. So, let's start. First is about the development of GPU from gaming to AI. Let's start by talking about the origins of GPUs. So initially, GPUs are designed for gaming, and GPUs were created to handle the complex graphics from processing required for immersive video games, and this need for powerful graphics led to the development of GPUs with capabilities far beyond simple rendering. And over the years, the core counts in GPU skyrocketed from just 24 in 2006 to over 5,000 by 2018. This exponential growth in parallel processing power has made GPUs indispensable for modern computing tasks. Their ability to execute trillions of calculations simultaneously has driven advancements in AI and deep learning. And next, the role or what are the roles of GPUs in AI and deep learning? So, GPUs have become crucial in the AI revolution. Their parallel processing capabilities are perfect for the demands of AI and deep learning algorithms, which require massive computational power and with the ability to perform complex matrix operations quickly. The GPUs have accelerated the development of sophisticated machine learning models. Like this, for example, NVIDIA's Volta architecture represents a major leap forward, with specialized tensor cores designed specifically for AI workloads. This architecture has exceeded Moore's law by offering groundbreaking performance and improvements and enabling faster training and inference for AI models. And the next one is about scientific advancements powered by GPUs. So beyond AI, GPUs are transforming scientific research. And also, they provide the computational power needed for intricate simulations in fields like protein folding, and the other is weather forecasting, and even the study of gravitational waves. The parallelism offered by the GPUs allowed scientists to run complex simulations, and also that were previously unimaginable, leading to new discoveries and innovation. So next one is about CUDA or CUDA, the expanding of GPU's applications. Now, let's talk about NVIDIA's GPU application. So, about NVIDIA's CUDA platform has been a game changer. Why? Because it enables or it is enabling the developers to harness GPU parallelism. Why? For a wide range of computing tasks beyond graphics. And CUDA has broadened the applications of GPUs to areas like computational finance, next is medical imaging, and lastly, and even astrophysics. This versatility has cemented GPUs as a vital component in modern computing. And next is about the future prospects, GPU performance, and beyond. Now, looking ahead for the future of GPU development, it is exciting. Why? Because over the years, GPU are evolving For example, the performance improvements are now projected to continue at a tenfold increase every 5 years. So, suggesting we could see a 100,000 fold increase in GPU performance by the year of 2040 or 2040. And by this, the growth will undoubtedly revolutionize technology even further, enabling advancements in AI, virtual reality, and more. So, next one is about the autonomous vehicles and AI integration. Okay, now let's talk about the applications of GPUs in autonomous vehicles. By the year 2024, it's expected that most electric vehicles or the EVs will have advanced autonomous driving capabilities. NVIDIA Drive and Tesla Autopilot are at the forefront of this development, using only vision neural networks, and other one is global cloud mapping to navigate the complexities of real world driving. So this ability to generate synthetic data for training autonomous vehicle models are so crucial. Why? Because about this approach enhances the learning process and improves the reliability of the autonomous system. So with predictive abilities having this, it's surpassing human capabilities. Okay? So autonomous vehicles promise safer and more efficient transportation. And then let's talk about the last part about the metaverse or the blending reality and virtual experiences. So let's explore the concept of the metaverse, a future digital world where users can interact in immersive 3D environments. The metaverse represents the next frontier in digital interaction, blending reality with virtual experiences. So, in the metaverse, technologies like Epic Games or MetaHumans enable the avatars to closely resemble their real life counterparts. So, your character that you created will be resembling your own looks or their real life counterparts and enhancing the sense of presence. And the consumer grade VR and haptic feedback devices make these virtual interactions more realistic and engaging. So the digital economy within the metaverse are powered by virtual currencies. Why? Because it creates new opportunities for economic activities and social interactions. Okay, and as we move forward, the metaverse will redefine how we socialize, work, and play, and offering a seamless blend of physical and lastly digital experiences. Now, for my personal reflection or my future vision about this is that as a future engineers and leaders, we have a unique opportunity to shape the future of these technologies, to rapidly develop or the rapid development of the GPUs and the AIs and the autonomous vehicles, and lastly, the metaverse opens up an endless possibility, especially in a better future of technologies. However, we must also consider the ethical implications and ensure that this advancement benefits society as a whole, not only yourself, not only your family, but as a whole society. From enhancing scientific research to transforming transportation and creating new digital worlds, the impact of these technologies will be profound. And as we traverse in this future or we look into this future, let's strive to innovate responsibly and exclusively, making sure that everyone can benefit from this advancement. So, the journey about GPUs from gaming to AI and beyond is a testament to the power of innovation. And as we look to the future, the acceleration of GPU or the development of it, or the rise of the autonomous vehicles and the advent of the metaverse are offering excitement or offer exciting opportunities and challenges. So let's embrace this advancement with curiosity and responsibility and shaping a better future where technology enhances our lives in meaningful ways. I repeat, in meaningful ways. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video and goodbye.